not colorblind. I know the world's black and white. Try keeping open mind, but I just can't sleep on this tonight. Stop this train. I wanna get up and go home again. Can't take the speed it's moving in. No, I can't. But honestly, won't someone stop this train? Don't know how else to say it. Don't wanna see my parents go. One generation went away. We're fighting life out on my own. Stop this train. I wanna get off and go home again. I can't take the speed it's moving in. No, I can't. But honestly, won't someone stop this train? So scared of getting older. I'm only good at being young. So I play the numbers game to find a way to say that life has just begun. Had a talk with my old man, said to help me understand. He said turn 68, oh, we negotiate. Don't stop this train. Don't for a minute change the place you're in. Don't think I could never understand. I try my hand, but honestly, we'll never stop this train. See, once in a while, when it's good, it'll feel like it should. And they're all still around, and it's still safe and sound. And you don't miss a thing, and you cry when you're driving away in the dark, singing stop this train. I wanna get off and go home again. Can't take the speed it's moving in. No, I can't. But honestly, we'll never stop this train. No, we'll never stop this train.